If you're tired of oil leaks ruining your engine and draining your wallet, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, BlueDevil Hydraulic Stop Leak. Let's kick things off with the BlueDevil Products Hydraulic Stop Leak. Priced at $28.22, this product caught my eye because it promises to restore seals and stop leaks in hydraulic systems. If you want a reliable solution for your hydraulic leaks, this is worth a serious look. It restores dried, cracked, and shrunken rubber seals, which is often the root cause of those annoying leaks. Plus, it works in all hydraulic systems, so whether you're dealing with pumps, cylinders, or valves, this product has you covered. With over 200 units flying off the shelves each month, it's clear that others are finding success with this product. Now, some people complain that it takes time to show results, and I can see how that might frustrate someone looking for an immediate fix. But here's the thing, if you're patient and let it work its magic, it can genuinely save you from more expensive repairs down the line. This is perfect for you if you're managing older machinery or just want to prevent future leaks. Skip this one if you need a quick temporary solution, though. For the price, you're getting significant value for your investment. Now, if you're worried about the time it takes for BlueDevil to kick in, this next one might actually be even better for you. Product number 2, Bars Leaks Differential Gear Repair. Next up is the Bars Leaks 1816 Differential Gear Repair. This one comes in at $50.62 for a case of 4 16.9 Oz bottles, and what grabbed my attention here was its focus on stopping pinion, axle, and other seal leaks. If you want to extend the life of your gear system, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters. The anti-wear and anti-foam agents are crucial for anyone dealing with heavy-duty applications. This additive not only stops leaks but also reduces noise and improves overall performance. It's designed to mix with all synthetic and conventional petroleum gear oils, meaning you won't have compatibility issues. Plus, it's manufactured in the USA, which is a nice touch for quality assurance. However, some users have noted that it can make oil feel a bit thicker, leading to potential performance issues in colder climates. Now, I get that concern, but honestly, if you're in a warmer area or using it during the summer, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive solution for heavy-duty gear systems and are looking to enhance performance. Skip this if you're in a colder climate where viscosity might be an issue. The price might seem steep, but it's a smart investment for those who need it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is really intriguing for high-mileage vehicles. Product number 3, XADO Atomex Oil Additive. The third option is the XADO Atomex Oil Additive, a unique solution priced at around $30. This product is designed specifically for high-mileage cars, focusing on restoring seals and preventing leaks. If you're dealing with an older engine, this one might just be your best friend. What sets this apart is its elasticity restoration feature. The slick liquid formula not only fixes leaks but also enhances engine performance and even reduces noise. With over 200 units sold recently, it's clear that people are trusting it to keep their engines running smoothly. Some users reported that it didn't completely eliminate leaks, which can be disheartening. But here's the thing, it's not a magic potion. It works best as a preventive measure and might require a bit of patience, especially if your vehicle has significant wear. This is perfect for you if you want to extend the life of your older vehicle and keep performance at its peak. Skip this if you're looking for a quick, one-time fix for a severe leak. Considering its cost, it offers great value for long-term engine health. If you're all about engine performance, wait until you hear about the next one. Product number 4, Lucas Oil Engine Oil Stop Leak. Now let's talk about the Lucas Oil 10279 Engine Oil Stop Leak. This gallon-sized bottle is a bit of a powerhouse, and while the price is not specified, it's well regarded in the automotive community. If you want to keep your engine running smoothly without constant top-ups, this is worth a look. The beauty of Lucas Oil is that it's compatible with all types of motor oils, including synthetic and semi-synthetic. This matters because you won't have to worry about mixing or compatibility issues, which is a huge relief. It can reduce engine noise and oil consumption while raising oil pressure, giving your engine the boost it might need after years of wear. However, some folks pointed out that it might not work for severe leaks, which can be a letdown. But honestly, if you're just dealing with minor leaks or want to prevent future ones, it's a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're looking to rejuvenate your engine and keep it in great shape. Skip this one if your leaks are extensive and require a more aggressive solution. Given the quality it offers, it's definitely worth the investment. Now, if you're wondering about hydraulic systems, the next product is specifically designed for that. Product number 5, Lucas Oil Hydraulic Oil Booster. Lastly, we have the Lucas Oil 10019 Hydraulic Oil Booster and Stop Leak. Priced similarly to other Lucas products, this one is specifically designed for hydraulic systems and caught my attention due to its focus on reducing operating temperature and conditioning seals. If you're working with hydraulic machinery, this might be exactly what you need. This additive conditions old seals and O-rings to stop and prevent future leaks, which is crucial for maintaining hydraulic efficiency. It also claims to extend the life of hydraulic fluid up to 2 times, meaning less frequent changes and lower maintenance costs for you. Plus, it's compatible with both synthetic and conventional hydraulic fluids, which is a huge plus. However, some users noted that it didn't work as quickly as they hoped, which can be frustrating if you're in a hurry. But let's be real, if you're working on heavy machinery, sometimes you just have to be patient for the long-term benefits. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain the efficiency of hydraulic systems and reduce wear. Skip this one if you're looking for something that acts instantly. For the price and effectiveness, it's a fantastic value. So to wrap things up, the BlueDevil is great for hydraulic systems, bars, leaks, excels in gear performance. XADO is perfect for high-mileage engines. Lucas Oil's engine additive rejuvenates, and the hydraulic booster keeps your machinery running smoothly. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Lucas Oil engine oil stop leak because it covers a lot of ground without compatibility issues. On the other hand, I'd avoid the XADO if you're looking for immediate results, as it's more of a long-term investment. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.